If you're tired of Chrome opening PDFs in that preview window, today's video is literally going to save you time and headache. We're turning that preview off, so Chrome will always ask you to download the PDF instead. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. All right, first step, just open up your Google Chrome. Easy. Now, look at the top right corner. See those three little dots? Click them. Then hit Settings. When the Settings page loads, look on the left side and click Privacy and Security. On the right side, you'll see a bunch of options. Click Site Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click it to expand. And inside the list, find PDF Documents. Yep, that's the one. Now, just flip the switch for Download PDF files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome. Boom, that's it. Chrome will now download every PDF instead of opening it. Oh, and by the way, you can also save any web page as a PDF in Chrome. That means you can read stuff offline or share with your friends. Super handy. If this helped you out, hit that like button, drop a quick comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. All right, fam. See you in the next one.